Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the Australian dollar and the US dollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The Aussie dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. Shares of Apple skyrocketed 6% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The dollar gained 0.3% against the yen in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair skyrocketed 2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
The Canadian dollar edged lower against its US counterpart, moving closer to its weakest level in over 2 years, as investors weighed data showing US producer prices climbed more than expected in September. France ordered some staff at an ExxonMobil fuel depot back to work and warned a Total Energies depot could be next, risking a wider conflict with trade unions as it battles to secure petrol supplies after weeks of strikes. US crude stocks rose by nearly 10 million barrels last week after another big release from government reserves, while distillate inventories fell sharply, the Energy Information Administration said.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
The US retail sales will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 1400 hours GMT. Finland's Gross Domestic Product at 0500 hours GMT. Finland's Consumer Price Index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC Net Positions at 1930 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP-NC Net Positions at 1930 GMT.